Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will create such kind of object with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. For that, first we will draw a 64 by 64 mm square in Fusion 360. For that, here I am closing this window and go to the Fusion 360 interface. First go to create a sketch, select a plane. Now we will create a square of 64 by 64. For that, here I am selecting center rectangle, put the center and create a 64 by 64 square. After creating this square of 64 by 64, finish the sketch. This extrude command and provide the height to see in here that 18 mm. So here we will provide 18 mm. Press enter. After that, as per drawing, we can see that we have to create this section. For that, we have to draw a circle of 30 mm. Select this plane, go to grid sketch, create a circle of 30 mm. Now finish the sketch, select this profile, extrude it up to this is 35 mm. Finish the sketch. Now select this plane, provide a hole. And as per drawing, we can see the outer diameter is 22 mm. And from here we can see the diameter of this hole is 12 mm and this is 25. So from here we select counter bore. This is 22 mm, this is 12 mm, provide here 12 mm, this is 180. This here we can see it is 25. And this will be 25 and 18, 35 and 18, this is 53. And then from here it is 32 and from here it is also 32 and press OK. So as you can see, we have created such kind of hole, and then after that we have to create one more circle of 42 mm diameter. For that, go to create a sketch, select this face, select this circle and create a circle of 42 mm and press enter. After that, finish the sketch, extrude it up to 5 mm as we can see in the drawing. Provide here 5 mm. Press enter, select this face, go to create sketch again. From here we can see this circle is 12 mm dia. Create a circle of 12 mm. Press enter. Finish the sketch. Put and extrude it up to -5. And as you can see, we have created such kind of object. Now we have to create this entity. For that, I have to draw a rectangle of 24 by 5 mm. So select this face, go to create sketch, select this one, select the center point, create a rectangle of 24 by 10 mm and press OK. After this, delete all the unwanted edges, then finish the sketch. Go to home position, hit this extrude command, extrude it up to -64. As you can see here, this is throughout, and press OK. Now we will use this chamfer command and chamfer this edge. From here we select this distance to distance. In this direction, from the drawing we can see that it is 4.5. In this direction it is 5. Similarly, we will chamfer this particular edge using this chamfer command. In this direction it's 5, in this direction it's 4.5, and press OK. Now we will provide the appearance to this particular object as per the drawing, this one. For that, select paint, glossy, and this green one. As you can see, we have created the same object as you have seen in this particular drawing. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel.